Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Preeti Kanodia. Welcome to Toshni Institute. Today, I'm going to take you through meditation of full moon. Full moon is very important for clarity, intuition, and as well as manifestation. So, today, when you do the meditation, you can sit under the moon and do the meditation. But if you feel you don't have enough place to sit under the moon and meditate, then you can sit in the house and you can meditate. But make sure that no one is disturbing you and do this meditation after the sunset when you see the moon. And one more thing that you need to do is before you start the meditation, at least take 5 minutes to think that what you need to release from your life and what you need to manifest in your life. If you do that, it becomes very easy for you to manifest. So after doing that, also one thing that you can do is wear comfortable clothes, and if possible, you can wear white clothes. It's okay if you wear any clothes, but you can wear white clothes. But try to avoid black and gray clothes because these colors will absorb negativity more than positive. So try to go with lighter and brighter colors. White is preferable. Mm. And now, when we go through the meditation, whatever you have done, whatever you're wanting to manifest in your life, you can start and go through the meditation in that. So after you are done with your journal, then you can start the meditation. All right. Um, so now all of you close your eyes and sit comfortably. If possible, sit. Don't lie down, but sit. Sit very comfortably and allow yourself to relax. Keep relaxing. Feel the breaths going in and coming out. Allow yourself to breathe through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Breathe in and blow out. Keep relaxing. Breathe in and exhale. Keep relaxing. And while exhale, release all the stress, release all the tension, and release whatever is bothering you at this moment. Release it out and relax yourself as much as possible. Keep relaxing. In this relaxed and comfortable position, just feel the bright moonlight above you. Feel the moonlight as much as possible with your closed eyes. And feel that moonlight is coming down in a form of shower and cleansing your entire body. You are taking bath under this moonlight and cleansing your entire body. Keep breathing this moonlight inside you. Inside and outside, allow this moonlight to cleanse your energies. Any negativity, any thought, any emotion that is not serving you, let it go. It's over. It ends now. Let it go completely. Take your time. Breathe in the energy of the moonlight and allow yourself to get cleansed completely. Release out. Release out all your stress, all your worries, all the emotions. And moreover, let go of all the blocks that is there inside you. Breathe in and exhale. Let the moonlight wash it away. Keep breathing and put your complete focus on your breaths. Inhale the moonlight and exhale all the blocks that is not serving you anymore. It's over. It ends now. You can let go of your anger. You can let go of your irritation. You can let go of your helplessness. Or you can let go of your failures. Whatever you feel is not needed anymore, let it go. It's over. It ends now. This is the time to let go of all your suppressed emotions. Just let go. At this moment, allow the energies to cleanse your mind, to cleanse your soul, and to cleanse your body completely. Free yourself from all these unwanted emotions, from all the unwanted situations. It's over. It ends now. Let it go. Let go. And now, breathe into your body and allow yourself to receive the energy from the moonlight to create the reality that you're looking forward with. Just breathe into yourself and see what is that you would like to manifest in your life right now. Allow this moonlight to come within you and create the energy of manifesting what you're looking forward to. Whether you're looking forward with some goals, success, happiness, marriage, fertility, that is childbirth, or maybe you're looking for promotion. Whatever, imagine yourself what you're looking forward to manifest, what you're wanting to happen in your life right now. Feel the moonlight going within you and creating the space, creating the energy, and creating the path towards the moment of your manifestation right now. Allow it to happen. See yourself how much you're blessed and allow your capabilities to grow, allow your abilities to grow, and allow yourself to receive what you're looking forward to. Spread your arms. Feel the moonlight coming down and creating the energy to manifest what you're looking forward to. Allow it to happen right now. Keep breathing. Focus on your breaths and allow this moment, allow this manifestation. Surrender yourself to this moonlight and allow the moonlight to create for you. Allow the moonlight to give you clarity, to give you intuition, and give you ability to manifest right now, right here. Keep breathing and say thank you. Show the gratitude to the moonlight for being there, for helping you to cleanse your body, cleanse your mind, and cleanse your soul, for helping you to create and manifest what you wish to. Show the gratitude. Feel the gratitude inside you towards the moonlight too. And slowly focus on your breath. Trusting what you've manifested is happening in your life right now. With total trust and faith, allow yourself to breathe into your body. Feel your back, feel your shoulder, feel your head. Integrate, 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 and bring back your awareness back into the room. When you feel right, you can open your eyes and relax. See you again. Be happy. Be safe. Namaste.